Let's take a look and see how Lens can help you with custom resources. So all the custom resources that you install in your Kubernetes clusters will be available here. So I have installed Argo rollouts in my cluster, but I don't have any rollouts yet. Let's deploy a rollout now. And we can see the rollout is available here. And we also get details about it. So the traffic weight is updated to 0 in this case. Let's check the manifest as well to better understand what is happening in here. We can see that we've set up a couple of weights. So we have 2 ingresses, and what we are doing is initially we are sending 10% of our traffic to the canary one, then 50% to the canary one, and then 100% to the canary one. You can see the stable one is set to be this one right here. Let's patch this rollout and see what is happening with it from inside of Lens. So I'm just going to run a patch command, and we can see that the rollout step 1 out of 5 is completed and the weight is set to 10. And the rollout was updated to revision 2, and this happened a couple of seconds ago. And if we wait for 1 more minute, we will see that the rollout is in the next step 2 out of 5, and so on and so forth until the end. We can now see that the traffic weight was updated from 10 to 50, and we are in the rollout step 2 out of 5. This was completed, and now we are pausing for 1 more minute until the rollout gets to 100%. This is very helpful as you don't have to do anything to view the details in real time. And that's it for this one. See you the next time.